This is the first time I'm visiting it directly, and the scale is, oh my god.
The parabolic structure was the highlight. The science, history and convention centers are coming together.
A lot of thought has gone into the project. It's a massive infrastructure.
A lot of young people, a lot of talent.
Creating a very good experience center for future generation.
I am Pramod Galgali, a former director of Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium.
I'm Sunita from Acme Designers, architect and interior designers.
Hi, I'm Sudarshan Chakravarti.
This is Naveen here. I'm a serial entrepreneur. Anaya and E-Skin Doctor is what I'm running today.
My name is Jay Kumar and I am from A&D Solar Enterprise.
I'm Nitesh, starting a Gurukula. I'm Tipesh, Director Vedanta Irrigation Systems Private Limited, Bangalore.
I'm Karthik. I run a company called Out of the Box.
Today when I came here, it was a very pleasant surprise to me, and a lot of facilities have been created. Param people have been saying, collaboration with all the people.
Also bringing in the innovation side of things and science. It's a combination of it. Actually a fantastic way of approaching things. So looking forward to see the finish.
From our side, we want to set up the solar rooftop solutions, wind energy, and make this campus green.
That 3000 capacity all, it's a totally wow feeling.
Probably they can come here, understand more.
Make use of the resources here, make use of the mentors who are already tied up with Param.
It's quite impressive, and it's quite honestly, looking at all the plans and looking at what's been done, I would say it compares to a lot of things I've seen outside India.
Param is a well-organized track to forming a science amusement park. So I've already been collaborating with Param for the past year.
We can collaborate on the designing field. It will be great and I'll be happy to be there.
So I am looking forward to collaborate with. I would definitely recommend others to join this foundation. All my friends, such that they can come and collaborate, let them contribute.
I definitely recommend highly to everybody to come here, associate with Param, and then continue their work.
And probably see how they can spread their wings and do good for the nation. Yeah.
I think you're already in the way to achieve your goals.
And it will inspire you to do better.